Excess belly fat? Would you like to look 1, 2, and up to 3 sizes thinner in just seconds? Would you like to go braless and feel comfortable? Presenting LipoDress, the sensational shaping dress that will make you look up to 3 sizes smaller instantly. LipoDress flattens the tummy, hides belly bulge, and will give you a thin, sexy figure in a matter of seconds. Its anatomical design lifts your buttocks, shapes your breasts, and you won't have to wear those uncomfortable straps. LipoDress is one single piece made of smart fabric, the latest invention in the textile industry. Without zippers, buttons, or clasps, it adapts to your body like a second skin.
It's the most comfortable thing I've ever worn. It's very practical. I even wear it to bed.
LipoDress is totally invisible and undetectable, even with form-fitting clothes. The first shaper that does it all. Yes, your entire body from your butt to your knees. LipoDress, the most versatile shaping dress you could ever imagine, and at a special
clothes. Look, I'm wearing my LipoDress. It makes me look thinner, and it doesn't show. It's like I'm not wearing anything under my clothes.
LipoDress, 3 garments in 1. Shaping dress, body shaper, and top. You wear it with your jeans, low-waist pants, skirts, shorts, with your favorite dress, even as your dress for any occasion you want. Look thinner, boost your bust, and shape your buttocks without having it show. And in just seconds with the shaping dress that adapts to your body like a second skin. LipoDress costs less than one conventional girdle. And with today's special, when you order 1 black LipoDress, the shaping dress, 3 sizes smaller instantly, and at a special price. What are you waiting for? Call now.